Let's make Midnight Punch. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make Midnight Punch, which is a single portion version of a drink that I found in the 12-bottle bar. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're turning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. As I mentioned, I got the idea for this drink from the 12-bottle bar. And I say the idea, what I meant was, this is a punch. It's meant for a punch bowl. But I don't always want to sit around and drink a whole punch bowl by myself, but sometimes I want a little bit of punch. So what I did was took their recipe and cut it down to a drink-sized portion. A note on the rum. The 12-bottle bar separates rums into two categories: white rums and amber rums. White rum is a rum that looks like water. Amber rum is anything else. So when you're making this drink, and this is an amber rum drink, you can pick any dark rum, any aged rum that you want to try. And if it works out well, let me know what you use down in the comments below. We are going to build this drink in the glass, so in order to make it, the first thing I'm going to do is going to take 2 ounces of my amber rum, and I'm using Negrita, which is a small bottle I got when I was in Barcelona pre-COVID, so this has been a while. 2 ounces, where's my jigger? As I was saying, 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Half an ounce of grenadine, and I do make my own grenadine. The recipe is here on the channel, link will be down below and at the end of the video if you want to try it yourself. Half an ounce is 15 milliliters. Half an ounce of grapefruit juice. Half an ounce, 15 milliliters. Even if my dog is barking in the background. I'm going to fill the glass with ice. Perfect. And I'm going to top this off with ginger beer. Use a ginger beer that you like. If you want to give it a light stir to help mix the ingredients, feel free to do so. I am not going to. I'm going to sink a straw, and I'm going to, if I can, and I'm going to garnish with a twist of grapefruit. These are such big grapefruits. How big is a twist? Do you go horizontal or do you go vertical? I went horizontal, and not very far. I'm going to express, and I'm going to drop it in there. And there you have it, Midnight Punch. Drink with good spirits. Do you have a favorite rum punch recipe? If you do, let me know what it is in the comments down below. Note there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I do have t-shirts. If you want one, contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get one. And while you're at the social media link, you might as well follow me there. Finally, if you made it this far and you love punch, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any other punches or any other rum drinks that I'm going to make. Until next time, cheers.